Today I want to talk about something most people have never thought about. Cysts in drinking water. Not medical cysts, waterborne parasite cysts. If you've ever seen a boil water advisory and wondered what they're actually worried about, this is usually it. Let's break it down. At a very basic level, a cyst is the protective, dormant form of a microscopic parasite. Think of it as survival mode. When parasites like Giardia or Cryptosporidium are in the environment, they form these thick-walled capsules that protect them from harsh conditions, including chlorine. That's important because many people assume chlorine kills everything. It doesn't. There are two primary cyst-forming parasites you'll hear about in water quality discussions. First, Cryptosporidium, often just called crypto, not to be confused with the digital currency. Second, Giardia duodenalis. Giardia is actually one of the most common causes of waterborne illness worldwide. Both of these can cause significant gastrointestinal illness if ingested. This is why they tell you not to drink that perfect-looking stream water when you're out camping. Clear doesn't mean safe. This part surprises people. These organisms can enter water primarily through fecal contamination. Wildlife, livestock, pets, human waste. When heavy rain hits agricultural land or overwhelms wastewater systems, that contamination can wash into rivers, lakes, and reservoirs. Even modern treatment plants rely heavily on filtration barriers. If filtration is compromised, even temporarily, cysts can pass through. And then there's aging infrastructure. A crack in a pipe can allow contaminated groundwater to enter the distribution system. So treatment at the plant is one barrier, distribution integrity is another. Are they dangerous? For healthy adults, it's often unpleasant, but temporary. For young children, older adults, or immunocompromised individuals, it can be much more serious. Symptoms typically include severe watery diarrhea, cramping, nausea, fatigue, and dehydration. The real risk is dehydration, especially in vulnerable populations. So what can you do? First, follow public health advisories. If there's a boil water notice, take it seriously. Second, hygiene matters. I know this should go without saying, but these parasites spread through improper hand washing as well. Third, understand that municipal treatment is designed for broad protection, not perfection. If you want an additional layer of control, you need filtration that is specifically designed and certified for cyst reduction. And here's where wording matters. Not removes impurities, not improves taste, but NSF-Certified under Standard 53 for cyst reduction. That certification verifies a 99.95% reduction of Giardia and Cryptosporidium under test conditions. That means the system has been independently evaluated by an unbiased third party as a physical submicron barrier. Yeah, try saying that 10 times fast. That's the difference between marketing and verification. Public water systems are one of the greatest public health achievements in history, but no infrastructure is flawless. Understanding cysts isn't about fear, it's about awareness. Because when you understand how water quality actually works, you make better decisions. And when it comes to drinking water, precision matters.